Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today is a Chanel sale day. I'm taking you with me to the Chanel sale. They do sale twice a year, once at the end of the year and now in June, end of June. So today is the 27th. I'll try and upload this video as soon as possible. Usually they have the sale for about a week. So I'm excited to see what's available. I did have a little sneaky preview from the private sale as well, and this time the shoe selection was really great. Unfortunately, I couldn't go to the private sale a couple of days ago physically. I did manage to have a look at pictures, but I just came back from holiday. I've been super busy with work as well, and yeah, I just couldn't physically go. However, I did reserve a few items because my sale was very kind and sent me a lot of pictures from the private sale, shoes, accessories, ready to wear. So today is actually the first official day of the sale, the 27th of June, and I know it will be madness, but I'm going. It's a super hot day, so I've put on this a pure silk Max Mara dress that I got I think last year or even actually the year before, so it's quite old. Me and my mum have matching ones. I don't know if you guys remember. If you've watched my older videos, you would know that we have matching Max Mara dresses, but I love the colors of this one. And for jewellery, I am wearing some of my rings, and also I do have some new pieces that I want to show you from Italo Jewellery. I'm especially excited about these two rings that I'm going to wear today. So we have two bands, and one of them actually really reminded me, the gold one actually reminded me of, have you guys seen this stunning new Cartier watch with the dotted diamonds? I'll insert a picture. This ring in the gold on the top gave me the exact same vibes, so I fell in love with it. Also, the silver band on the bottom is fully crystallized and it sparkles so much, so I wanted to wear it actually on my ring finger today next to my Cartier love ring. I really love Italo pieces because you can find such a great selection of rings that look and also are very high quality. They're all sterling silver. Some of their pieces even give off high jewelry vibes, and you can easily mistake them for a luxury brand. At the same time, they're very affordable, and I really like their packaging. They're great for gifting. They come with certificates and beautiful boxes, and they have a very easy return policy and 1-year guarantee. They also have a membership program now. I really like how some of their rings come pre-stacked, but you can buy very classic engagement rings, eternity bands, so do have a little browse. I also have a discount code which I'll leave here on the screen, but wait until you see this next ring that I picked up. It gives Bulgari Serpenti vibes. However, instead of the snake heads, we have these gorgeous, very classic pear-shaped crystals, and it basically have 3 rows of different shaped crystals if you pay attention. So it looks like a wraparound ring, and the design is so unique. This for an evening out when I'm a bit more dressed up, wearing an evening dress. Oh, this will be stunning. And I do have a similar pair of earrings. By the way, Italo also has a great selection of earrings, bracelets. Talking about bracelets, I picked up this really beautiful bangle in gold with crystals again. It is actually half pave, so it has crystals only on the top, and in the middle we have this beautiful pear-shaped detailing with a cluster of stones as well. The clasp is very secure and it looks so beautiful on its own or stacked with my other bracelets. It is such a versatile piece as well. It looks great stacked with my Van Cleef but also with my watch. So yeah, these are all 3 new jewelry pieces that I picked up and I wanted to show you. I'll definitely leave the rings on today because they look great with the rest of my jewelry. And yeah, let me know which one was your favorite piece. Let's head to Chanel and check out the summer sale, 40% off. So excited. Okay, so let's have a look at the sale. All these earrings are 40% off. By the way, the bags I showed you are not on sale. Bags never go on sale. But let's have a look at these. Okay, they do have some chokers. You can see some bangles and bracelets here as well. Oh, they have my earrings that I bought on sale last year again in the middle. Here are some more earrings. I also got the bottom right last year. And here we have some brooches and keychains. Oh, can I have a look at this one, please? Also 40% off on some of the hats, bucket hats. This belt is reduced to 700. They also have some chain belts, but I don't know, they look a bit weird. Over here, some more costume jewelry. Oh my god, guys, look at this visor. However, it is plastic, so I'm not sure. By the way, they also have the tights from Cruise. Let me have a look. I think these are £350 or 370. Quite a lot of jewelry this time. Can you guys see they have the heart earrings as well? Long pendants on sale. Alright, let's have a look at the ready to wear. Again, as you can see, mainly from Cruise. These are some of the skirts. They have this on sale. Okay, we have long trousers. Guys, I'm filming on a wide angle this way. I think you can see better full length. I really like this dress. I love the pale green with the crystals. They have this dress, this from the LA collection, this with the sequined pockets. Oh, this is very cute. In this knit, I love the buttons. This is also very cute and classic in the tweed. This is quite heavy tweed. Oh, look at this cute jacket. I love all the colors. What do we have here? Some fully sequined jackets. This is a no, it's too much. Oh, these are very sequined over here. We have, oh, this is nice, this gold leather perforated jacket. They also have this satin baby blue bomber. I love this. Also this I like. This leather shirt is cute with the CC buttons, some more blazers, long dresses here. Is anything catching your eyes, guys? Let me know. Another tweed jacket. I actually like this colorway. Again, very classic Chanel pattern. We have this robe and I think this is, yeah, this is a jumpsuit. This is the robe from the Cruise. Another robe from, I think, last year's Cocoa Beach collection. This one was very expensive. Yeah, 9,000 to 5,000, still very expensive.
What size do you think I should be? I was thinking a size smaller than I am.
And also this dress is cute, very Barbie. We do have some knitted tops over here. This one says Coco in the middle. And this two-piece set. This skirt is cute. The colors are beautiful. And look at these shorts. Oh, they match my bag. Let's have a quick look at the shoes from the window because I'm queuing and I can see everything from the outside. You can have a good look at all the shoes, guys. All these 40% off. They have the crystal boots. Oh my god, amazing selection. Look at this. Wow, they've never had so many different styles, I feel. Look at this, guys. They even have the roller skates from the runway show. Here's some more sneakers, classic loafers. I'm so surprised they have so many beautiful and classic shoes as well this time. Okay guys, so I just finished and I managed to score something big from the sale. I can't wait to show you. I think I might pop into a different boutique and see if the selection is any different. But today was the first day of the sale. I did have a sneaky little preview a couple of days ago and I did manage to reserve something, so I was lucky. But today was the first day of the sale, the 27th. And it was madness in the morning. I arrived as soon as Harrods opened. It opens at 10 a.m. Apparently some people were queuing from 8 o'clock in the morning in order to register for the shoe sale. That was the craziest one, like the ground floor with the accessories and ready to wear. Ready to wear was also quite busy, but definitely not as crazy as shoes. But yeah, shoes, actually they had virtual queue which closed like half an hour or like an hour after Harrods opened. Apparently they had over 200 something people registered and they don't even know if they can help everyone who has registered. Honestly, crazy. They were letting people in, but it was impossible to vlog inside because they only give you like 3-4 minutes to browse. You have to be very quick. Because they have so many people registered on the queue. So I did show you, they had such a huge selection of shoes. I showed you as much as I can from the shoes, but you can see from the clips from the windows that the selection was amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to show you what I picked up. I'll actually unbox it when I get home today, so watch until the end. But let's go to a different boutique and see if I can find anything different there. Guys, these are only £570. Another very classic pair of summer sandals. Oh my god, look at the color combo. 590. These are 550 in yellow. Hi guys, it is the next day and I promised you an unboxing at the end of this vlog, so I can't wait to show you what I picked up from the Chanel summer sale this year. Honestly, this was the score of the century. This was such an amazing score. It's something that I really wanted to get from last year, but I couldn't get my hands on it, so I still can't believe I managed to get it 40% off as well. So let me show you what's in here. I'm sure you can already tell what's in here. It's a pair of shoes, but not any shoes. It is a very special limited pair of shoes. So let me unbox. I didn't really pick up anything from the ready-to-wear or costume jewelry, although they did have some nice pieces, but to be honest, most of the ready-to-wear was from the Cruise LA collection, and I don't know, the ready-to-wear wasn't really my vibe, so I skipped on ready-to-wear. And then most of the jewelry was also from the LA collection. They have so many of the skate earrings and necklaces with the little roller skate shoe, and also they had some of the multicolored crystal jewelry pieces. They have mainly chokers in those, and I don't really wear chokers. You guys know the costume jewelry piece I wear the most from Chanel are the earrings, so that's what I tried to focus on. But they did also have repeating styles from the last sale, which I actually already have, so I couldn't really see anything that exciting that I thought I should add to my collection. But when it comes to shoes, oh my god, the shoe sale was great. They had so many classic styles on sale, loafers, trainers. However, I picked up something that I really thought I missed on, and I was very surprised that this went on sale, considering when I saw this pair of shoes last year, I asked if they had it in my size and they said it's a pre-order, which was very strange. Let me have a little sneak. Oh my god, check these out. Do you guys remember these gorgeous sling bags from the spring summer 2024? Stop, they're so pretty. Oh my god, these are princess shoes. Look at them, look how much the crystals sparkle. Aren't they the prettiest? I still can't believe my luck, because only 2 pairs of these went on sale and one of them was in my size. I think the other one was, I think, a size 40 and they had 138 and it's mine. I scored them 40% off, and you won't believe the price. They actually left the price. These were very pricey, okay, even on sale, but look at the original price and then look at the sale price. £1,000 saving. I couldn't be happier, and I don't really know what happened with these last year. I actually managed to find them and try them on at one of the boutiques, I believe on Bond Street last year when I filmed my shopping vlog video. I'll link it above, and I found them. However, all the sizes were sold out. I think they had one left in a 39 and they said they were all reserved. They were a pre-order pair of shoes because they were super popular from the runway show. I really fell in love with these when I tried them on back then, but my hopes kind of died when they said, oh, they're sold out already, and they were pre-order, so I didn't even try to find them later on. They must have gotten more stock. I don't know what happened. I don't know how they ended up on sale, but yeah, these are the runway shoes from the spring summer show and they're just fabulous. I'm so over the moon that these are finally mine, and yeah, they might be the most beautiful shoes in my collection. I've always wanted a crystal pair of Chanel shoes, and now I finally have them. Also, the gold heel is so beautiful, and they're super comfortable because they are wider fit as well. So really happy with this summer's sale score. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you managed to get anything from the sale this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!